Offered for sale is an exceptional 2021 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, a true modern American supercar engineered to deliver exhilarating performance with everyday drivability. Specified from the factory with the desirable handling and technology packages and showing just 15,000 miles, this GT500 is finished in sleek shadow black over an ebony leather interior, presenting an aggressive yet refined appearance that commands attention from every angle. At its heart lies the legendary supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, factory rated at an astonishing 760 horsepower and 625 foot-pounds of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast Tremec 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Torsen limited-slip differential with 373 gearing, this Shelby delivers instantaneous acceleration and razor-sharp response. An air-to-liquid intercooler, engine oil cooler, and cast aluminum intake manifold ensure consistent, reliable performance whether cruising or pushing the limits. The active dual exhaust system produces an unmistakable Shelby exhaust note, delivering both refined tone and aggressive presence on demand. The shadow black exterior highlights the GT500's purposeful design, featuring a functional louvered hood, aggressive front splitter, sculpted rear wing, HID headlights, and signature LED taillights with sequential turn signals. Black 20-inch split-spoke wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires provide exceptional grip and stance. The MagneRide adaptive suspension and handling package with adjustable strut top mounts deliver outstanding cornering capability while maintaining impressive ride quality. Massive Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers and 4-piston rear calipers provide confident stopping power to match the car's incredible speed. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit blends performance and luxury. Heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable ebony leather seats with gray accents offer excellent comfort and support. The Alcantara and leather-wrapped steering wheel with gray center stripe and paddle shifters frames a fully configurable 12-inch digital instrument cluster. This places vital performance data directly into view of the driver. The technology package enhances the experience with a premium 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, voice-activated navigation, Bliss active blind spot monitoring, and Sync 3 infotainment with an 8-inch touchscreen. Dual-zone climate control, cruise control, and 4 track apps further elevate convenience and usability. The passenger-side dashboard plaque designates this Shelby as chassis M2664, adding to its exclusivity. This GT500 represents the perfect balance of raw supercharged power, advanced technology, and modern comfort. Whether you're looking for a thrilling weekend driver, a standout addition to a performance collection, or one of the most capable Mustangs ever produced, this Shelby delivers on every level. With its iconic styling, incredible performance, and proven collectability, this GT500 offers an exciting opportunity to own one of Ford's most legendary modern muscle cars. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com for more information.